Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be fixing my crazy shoe situation. As you can see, it's a little bit wrecked and the shoe shelf that I currently have isn't really working. I don't really know what else to say except for the fact that my shoes aren't the right shoes for this kind of rack. I don't know how or why, but they're like sitting on top of each other. When I go to pull out my flip-flops, my boots fall. It's a whole mess. So I really want to fix this and make myself some DIY shoe shelves. So for this project, I had some leftover boards at the warehouse we have. They were being used for shelves there, but they didn't need them anymore, so I got lucky and got some free planks of wood. So we're starting with those, which is really handy. By the way, this is my new baby cat, Kratos. If you haven't been on my channel before, we just got him. He's such a cute little ham, and we love him so much. But that is not what today is about. Today, we are making ourselves a new shoe rack, which is very exciting, and I am looking forward to getting this project knocked out. So here are the boards we're starting with. I'm not exactly sure what they are. Not sure if they're particle board. Yeah, I don't know what these are. Like I said, I got them secondhand, but this is what we're going to be working with today. So I just got back from Home Depot and I got a few things for the shoe shelves because after talking to Matt, I kind of changed trajectories. What I was originally going to do was to get some brackets like on those shelves for each of the shelves in the closet. But after talking to Matt, he said it seemed kind of questionable to put that many holes in the walls in the closet because we're probably not going to be able to find studs very well, and we don't want like the shelves ripping out of the wall. So he suggested that I do ropes instead. I'll insert a picture here of kind of what he was thinking. So that way I'm only putting a couple holes in the wall, and I think it'll look really cool too. So I'm down to try that. So anyway, I went to Home Depot and looked at a couple things. I still looked at the brackets just to kind of see if any of them were what I was thinking. I almost went with the brackets still, but then I found this rope, which I thought was really cool looking, and decided to go with the rope theory. But that meant that I had to find hooks to put into the wall. So I found this pack. Came like this. They're hooks for tools, like in your garage. Each of these is weighted for 25 pounds. So I'll be using 2 on the back. Actually, let me just show you. I'll take you to the closet and show you what I'm thinking. Okay, so originally I was just going to put the shelves where the shoes are now, but we're switching walls because I'm going to have to get the GoPro in here so you guys can see everything. But I'm going to do this whole wall as shelves. So here's the deal. Okay, so you see how this shelf is held up by this 2x4 in the back here? This is what I'm going to screw these into for the back support, because I already know this 2x4 is completely solid because it's back there to hold up that entire shelf. So I already know that's completely secure. So I'm going to put these hooks in there, and then I'm going to hang the front ropes from this because this is secure too. This is obviously weighted for loads of clothes. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. And then also down here, I needed to figure out where to put the rope so that it fit with the shoes nice, because originally I was going to put them on the edges, but what I think will be better for support is if I put the holes in between a pair of shoes, so like the ropes coming up in between the edge pairs. So there's going to be 3 pairs in the middle, 1 on either side, and then the ropes, there'll be a hole. I'll put a hole about here and a hole about here, and that's where the rope's going to come up through. Anyway, that's kind of my theory. That's what I'm thinking. And yeah, let's go drill some holes. No turning back now. Alrighty guys, so I decided to go ahead and paint my boards black first before I drilled the holes. But after I painted them, I set up my stands and I got to drilling. So I just marked where I wanted the holes to go and then got the appropriate size drill bit out and made my holes. Pretty simple. I had to test a few sizes to make sure that the rope would fit through the holes, but other than that, pretty simple. So sorry about the lighting. This first clip is a little dark, but I'm just drilling those hangers into the back wall there so that I can start hanging the rope. While I was hanging this rope, I wasn't exactly sure how I wanted to do the knots at the top because I wanted them to look cute, but I'm not a knot professional. I don't really know what I'm doing. So I kind of just whipped it around there a few times, made a bunch of knots, and tried to make them look kind of cute. At the end, I actually have Matt come in and beautify my knots a little bit more. But yeah, I just threw the knots in and I started assembling my shelves. It was kind of a pain in the butt to pull those up there and keep it all balanced while also tying the knots and trying to keep it level. But I figured it out. Anyway, yeah, the big thing you want to make sure is that your shelf is level so that your shoes are not sliding off, and also so that all of your shelves look really nice and orderly as they go on, because if your shelves are kind of tipping either way, it's not going to look as good in the end. As far as the distance goes in between shelves, I was just kind of eyeballing it. I knew that I wanted a couple shelves to have more space than others for like some of my boots and taller shoes. But other than that, I was just kind of guessing and trying to be as productive with my space as possible. Okay guys, so I finally have the shelves in. They are here. We have 5 shelves, which is so great. I'm so excited to load them up with shoes. It turned out so good. I'm so happy. There's a couple little things I'm going to do. Probably not tonight though. Oh, and this little wiener here, he walked through the paint that I used to paint these. He just pranced. It wasn't even like he walked on them. He took his paw and stuck it in the bucket of paint and then took it out and walked away. Thank God Matt saw him and grabbed him, so we put like 5 footprints on the carpet, but anyway, he also got paint on my other shirt, so I had to wash that, and I was in the middle of workout when he did it, and it was a crazy evening, but we have that taken care of, and now it is time to load the shoes. So I had Matt come in here and I showed him my knots because I didn't think they were very pretty. So he did this nice like wraparound knot. And so what I think I'm going to do is hot glue this down just so it looks nice and straight. And then he approved this knot, though I might change it because this is going to drive me crazy. It's at an angle and all the other ones are straight. And like even this one is like pretty much straight in the back, but that one's at an angle and it's making me feel like a crazy person. So gonna have to fix that, but not right now. Anyway, I should have told you guys. Anyway, oh, it looks straight from this angle. Well, yeah, we'll just shoot from this angle. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm feeling very pleased with all of this. Alrighty guys, I'm so excited to show you the final reveal. Here is just a reminder of what it used to look like, and here is what it looks like now. I hope you guys enjoyed this shoe shelf transformation. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'd love to have you around. I'll be constantly doing more organization stuff to my house, so I hope you guys are ready for that, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!